Season of Assembly is finally here. In the morning, there were some technical difficulties when I woke up at like 4 in the morning because I missed my alarm. I meant to set it at 3, which I did, but I don't remember it going off. I just wanted to see what would happen watching it myself, but I will be quiet during the cutscenes. And also, I will be showing you the areas that I found the seasonal candles, and then the next video will be the spirits. So I will be posting this earlier in the morning, for me at least. So here's the first candle when you walk in the first area. So like I said, this is my first season that I actually bought, because I did play the Season of Dreams, but it was at the very end, and I'm like, there's no point for me to buy this, the season's almost over. But I am glad to play this season, and I've been really excited to go look at all the tree houses, so here I am just heading over there. But whenever I first woke up, I decided I'm going to do most of my candle run when I wake up, like in the morning, so I can do this later, and I did do that. But there were some technical difficulties, which I think I might post at the end of this video. I'm actually not too sure. But I had some technical difficulties, and I know everyone else did because I went onto Sky, and they're like, oh look, this new season is out, you know, on Twitter. And I went over there, and people are like, I have technical difficulties. I'm like, oh, okay, so I'm not the only one, because I thought I was. But it happened 3 times for me. I only filmed it twice, because I was really confused, like, what's going on? What's happening? So, yeah, I'm not done with my candle run. I actually just finished the forest area before I started talking to edit this video. And I will be doing the other areas later. I just wanted to do this first, just so I can get the videos done and uploaded and everything. But this treehouse is really pretty. I've been trying my best to avoid spoilers, because I want to see this all for myself. And look at all this stuff. Alright, so I walk around this whole area because I was kind of confused, again, avoiding spoilers at first because I don't want to know anything yet. And I was walking around this area just to also show you everything, and I'm like, where are the spirits at? I have no idea. I was kind of confused. So I went over here because someone kept honking over here. I'm not sure why. They just were. Okay, buddy. They're kind of in my way. Okay, there we go. And then it pushes you all the way back. Just to tell you, oh, can't do that. Because there's this other area, like when you're trying to get in here, I tried to get in here, and I glitched in there, sorta, and it kept pushing me back like this. That happened like every single time I did it. So I did it quite a few times, actually. And here's me just showing you around the treehouse. Of course, it'll look more polished when you're done. But this is how it looks now. Someone was taking a little bath. I decided to heal myself next to the spirit, because that's how you heal a lot faster, typically. I found that out in the Wasteland guy. I went down here for a random reason, but there's actually a star down here, which I didn't know. I kept running into the walls because, again, it's really dark and it's hard to see. I don't know what I was doing here. I just couldn't see anything. So I was trying to get out of here. I'm like, okay, well, there's no spirits here, so I'm gonna leave. This area is really pretty, and a lot of people are like, this could be a new hangout area. I don't know if I'll come here too often to just hang out, unless I'm with a friend or something. I probably won't try to find new people, but here's some more candles. But you never know. Who knows? Maybe I'll go over there and hang out with people. Most likely, you won't get too many new players there. So this part was the spirit, and I did skip it because I want to show that later, but I guess you can see the emote now. This treehouse is really pretty. I just love looking at it. But then I went down here and I actually like stopped my recording because I didn't realize that. I thought, oh, this is the meditation center area. But little did I know. So this part was kind of annoying, just trying to chop all these trees down, but I actually didn't know, obviously, where all the areas were to get this, and this tree was a pain in the butt. So there isn't really much for me to comment on, more than these trees always give me, I don't know, just they always annoy me so much. So you can just watch me struggle. Yay, I completed it. It didn't take too long, but it took longer than I would like it to. But I'm finally done. So we can finally go over here and take it to that one guy over there. And then do my little run. I just love the little chibi run. It's so cute. And there's the guy. Let's go see him. Okay, that's it. I finished it all. I can give the guy a high five. And then I get my heart. And then you have to wait like 13 days to be able to get, you know, the next thing up, which looks like a pillow. I have no idea what that is. Could be a pillow, a roof, I don't know for sure. But that heart is just a normal heart. You have to wait to get the other hearts and all that stuff. And it's really annoying. I don't know why it gave me such an awkward angle. Like, okay. But yeah, that's it. I will post my spirit video after this one all in one day. So 2 videos for today. And yeah, thank you all for watching. And of course, leave a like and subscribe and tell me, are you going to play this new season? But that's it. See y'all later. Goodbye.